I'm Dr. Eric Brownworth, and I'm going to go over 5 variations of the plank that you need to be doing to help improve your core stability. So the first we're going to do is just simply a normal low plank. So with a typical plank or low plank, we're going to have our feet together, okay? A lot of people will have their feet out. You want your feet together. You want to tighten your quads, tighten your butt, and lift up so that you have a nice neutral spine. I've got a straight line from my shoulders, hips, knees to ankles. And then I've got my elbows directly under my shoulders. Make sure you're not clasping your hands together. A lot of people like to do this. Just keep them right out front like this. And you can hold. Usually I'll have my patients hold for 20 to 30 seconds to start and build all the way up to a minute. If you find that that's too difficult, you can do 10-second holds. The next variation of the plank is we're going to do a side plank. Now I've got a straight line from my ankles to my knees, hips, all the way up to my shoulders, and my elbow is down directly under my shoulder. I'm going to stack my hand right here on my hip, and I'm going to lift up. And again, holding with this, typically starting from 20 to 30 seconds and being able to build all the way up to 5 minutes. Now with this, make sure your shin bone isn't touching the ground. That would indicate to me that your ankles are not doing enough work, they're not as strong, so you want to keep those shin bones off the ground, just like so. The next variation of the plank, and this is actually going off that side plank, you can do, we're going to get up into a side plank, and we're going to do a leg raise, so doing some straight leg raises just like this, in that side plank position, doing typically starting off with 5 to 10 reps, making sure you're doing both sides, and that's a very difficult one. The next one out of the 5 variations of the plank to improve your core stability, we're going to stay in this plank, side plank position, although now I have my hand out under my shoulder and my elbow is extended, my arm is outstretched. I'm going to bring my top arm up and then my leg up. And this is a star plank hold. And you're just going to hold this. Now this is a very difficult position to hold. You're going to do that for anywhere from really 10 to 30 seconds for a lot of people. And then go into the other side. Now, so we've done the plank, the side plank with the leg raise and the star plank hold. Next, and the last, the 5th one is going to be the Spiderman plank. So what you're going to do, we're getting into that front plank, that low plank position. And you're going to bring your knee to your chest, keeping your core stable. Try to avoid hiking your hips up like this. You want to keep a nice straight line. And we're bringing our knee to elbow and back, just like this. Knee to elbow. Doing about 10 reps each leg. And those are the 5 plank variations that you need to be doing to improve your core stability. So go ahead and give those a try. Leave me a comment below on which one was your favorite.